Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best spin mop systems on the market, the Libman Tornado Spin Mop. If you're tired of traditional mops leaving your floors wet and messy, this might just be the solution you've been looking for. Let's kick things off by highlighting what makes the Libman Tornado Spin Mop stand out. It's an all-in-one cleaning system that includes a spin mop, bucket with a wringer, and a high-quality microfiber mop head. Perfect for tackling dirt and grime on various floor surfaces. What I love most about this mop is its spin technology. With a simple push down on the handle, you can effortlessly wring out excess water from the mop head. The more pressure you apply, the drier the mop becomes, ensuring you don't leave pools of water behind on your floors. Let me show you how easy it is to use. Dip the mop head into the bucket filled with your preferred cleaning solution, then place it into the spin chamber. Press down on the handle and watch as it spins out the water, leaving the mop head perfectly damp for efficient cleaning. Built with durability in mind, the Libman Tornado features a sturdy steel handle and a microfiber mop head that's machine washable for repeated use. It's designed to handle tough messes while maintaining its effectiveness over time. Remember to maintain your mop by regularly washing the microfiber mop head. It's easy to clean, just hand wash or toss it in the machine with mild detergent. Avoid bleach and fabric softeners to prolong its lifespan. In conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable spin mop system that delivers on both performance and durability, the Libman Tornado Spin Mop system is definitely worth considering. It simplifies the mopping process and keeps your floors looking their best with minimal effort. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on top-notch household products. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.